Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to enable location tags in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open your camera, tap here, go to its settings, and here you have to find save location info, tap agree only while using the app. And now when you take a photo, you can see its location in gallery. As you can see today, Poland, Małopolskie. I guess it's my location. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.